Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is José Lindy Castillo, 25 years old from UP Maguindanao. I am single and I completed my education at University of Southern Mindanao. My father's name is Jose Edwin D. Castillo and my mother's name is Anacita D. Castillo. I have two brothers and I am the eldest among the siblings. My hobbies are dancing, swimming, watching movies, listening to music, and at the same time, home maintenance. I have a work experience as a nanny at UP Maguindanao, particularly at my aunt from 2023 to 2025. My duties and responsibilities are preparing their meals, fetching them in their schools, teaching them in their lessons, doing laundry and household chores, and most importantly, childcare. I want to work abroad because I need money to support my family here in the Philippines. Why should you hire me? You should hire me because I am hardworking, passionate, I am willing and eager to learn new things, and most importantly, I am a loyal person whose work is very important to me. I know some nursery rhymes like Baba Black Sheep, and I can sing it for you. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master and one for the dame. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day, Mom and Sir.